Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2018 Chevrolet Cruze Premier. Powering this sedan is a turbocharged 1.4-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission that can get you just 6 to 8 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Checking out the trunk of the vehicle, you have lots of cargo space, including this nice netted basket. Looking at the interior of the vehicle, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows with express down on all 4 windows and express up on the drivers. You also have your cruise control, front collision warning, heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, as well as your hands-free audio all on the steering wheel. This car currently has 94,918 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit. You also have your climate controls with heated front seats, power ports, gear select, traction control and parking sensors, as well as a phone compartment. This car is also equipped with premium leather seats, and the driver's seat is power adjustable. Now for the back of the interior, you have a great view of the sun and moonroof. The rear seats are also heated, have access to 120 volt power, and you have a storage pocket in the back of the front passenger seat. These are 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip down cup holder in the center seat. If you would like to see this 2018 Chevrolet Cruze Premier in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.